Okay, so here also you can go and create it. Let's say flow to. I just start recording. So email will be flow to at testing.com. Date of birth, I will go and put like a 2000. Phone number, I will give something. Next, A, B, C, D, I will put. Next, testing. We'll say thank you message. Now it get created over here. Look. Now you will see like the email, but still like the email and the phone is not getting populated. Employee, where is the phone field? Mobile phone. Okay. Still like I think let me have a look why like those two fields is not populating. So here there is that. So oh my goodness.
Not this one, Sampath. This is different.
New onboarding. This is the one, right? So I will go and view the flow. Yeah. This is the latest versions. Let's open the latest versions. This is the correct. Sorry, on the screen too. Email, this is the value. UI email value. For phone, UI.phone. That is okay. Now, before displaying, I need to verify that whether it's okay. Let's debug it. So testing, now the flow is activated. Testing, okay. Testing at testing.com. Okay, next. UI phone value, it's coming as null, but value is coming. That's a UI phone value, but here the value is coming. Same way email, value is coming. The variable value is not storing. Okay, that's fine then. So what we can do? During storing the value, simply we can say, again, once the flow is active, you cannot modify. Okay, so active flow, you cannot modify. What you need to do, you have to just simply clone it. So I'm going to save as a new versions, then edit UI email value. I will say UI underscore email value. Okay, the same way phone value, this one, UI underscore phone over here value. That's it. Save and then activate.
So there is no need for variables for them, Sampath.
But you have to store it, like you have to store in that value, because otherwise like what will happen if you go back, it will reset. It's a temporary variable basically, I would say. Again, if you want a permanent variable, what do you need to do? Create a formula instead of general variable and store that value over there.
Okay.
So this same value, like see, instead of storing here, you can store the same value into one of the formula field, how we done for first name, last name.
Okay.
The full name, how I done it. The same way you can store it into that variable and use that variable during the previous screen, next screen, then it will be okay.
Okay.
But to just on the previous, if you go back to the previous screen, if you want to come back, you must have a variable value, then only it will display. Otherwise, it won't display.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will be empty. It will reset every time. Okay, now I will go and do final test. Flow 3. Flow 3. So yeah, and flow 3 at gmail.com. XYZ. Okay, there is a phone. Personal email ID. Official email ID did we? Oh, okay. Maybe we didn't assign the official email ID, so that's why. So it's coming in the personal. Official email ID didn't come because we forgot to assign that value. That's it. Any question on this? So now my only other question is that if I want to this one, make it as a public. Yeah, I want to send it to the external employee who don't have a Salesforce screen. Maybe like they don't have a Salesforce access. So how do we send this flow to outside public? So for that, what you need to do, quick options in Salesforce, you have to enable the public community or site. So quickly, I will show you the public community. So all community, look for like a community, go to community settings and enable community first. Here it's a register like a yes of winter 20. Sorry, this domain is taken. Okay. Yes of winter 2020. This is also taken. Oh my goodness. Somebody registered. DEC. It's available. Save. Okay. Now, once if you create a community, then you can deploy. So what I will do, I'm going to create a new community. So you can pick up any template, like which template you like. So pick up any one of the templates. I would say let it be. It's optional. So public community. So I will say PUALAC public. Or yeah, public community. So at least today we'll finish the flow, and then yeah, the comparison also will finish today. And then report and dashboard one day. Then after like yeah, another one more day we can finalize it. Okay. Now you want to preview this page, right? So how do you preview this page? So view public site. Before that, just go to the builder or administrator and make sure like it's activate. It's in the preview mode. Just simply activate that. Okay, it's active now. This is the URL. It's basically public URL at the moment. What I will do, go back to this builder. Sorry, builder. Publish. You need to publish it, okay? Now, if you try to access the public URL, yeah, the look and feel is at least okay, good. Now, I can send this to you, everyone. So if I go for a guest window, it's asking for the login page, right? So that is okay. So it will ask for the login page because you didn't make it as public. Okay. So to make the public, go to settings, public can access this community. That's it. So just save the changes and you need to republish it. And then now if I go for a public community, do we have a guest window? Yes. Now you can see only the home page and the screen, nothing else. And you have a search box and you have like the login screen and you have just only home. You can design nicely something, but here what I will do, I'm going to remove all this and I will put a nice component. So you can customize the community very nicely. So here, like you'll see here, you can upload the, instead of this image, you can put different image. So what I will do, welcome page is there. Okay. And here, like if you need a menu, if you don't want a menu, simply you can remove all this menu. I don't want all this menu, just a home page. If you want to add a menu, you can go and add it. Okay. So at the moment, I don't want any menu, or I will add one more menu. So before adding a menu, let's create a new page. Standard page, flexi page. I'm creating a new page, which is employee info. Okay. Employee page. Okay. Now in this page, what I can do, just simply add a flow component. Flow, and specify the flow variable like onboarding, new employee onboard. Okay, and publish. And in the top of the flow, if you want to add something like a text, yes, go ahead and add text. Where is that? HTML editor, or like, sorry, you can add rich text content editor. So edit, please complete the following form. Okay, bold, center, and increase the format, like, yeah, heading 1. Publish it. Now, one other things you need to do, if you run the flow, it's still like, yeah, first of all, like you have to add a menu. You have to add a menu, right? So I will just go and edit menu. Add a menu, let's say employee. I'm adding a tab, okay? Employee community page, which is employee, publicly available, save, publish. Now, if I go back here, you can see employee tab, but the text is there. Where is the flow? Flow is not there, right? So for that, you have to give a permission on the profile. So click on the guest user profile. Basically, you need to give a permission on the guest user. So on the system permissions, run flow permission you have to give. Okay, on the profile, you have to give a run flow permissions. The same way, in order to access the object, they want to see the object, right? So you need to go to the object settings. And the employee. Go for an employee. Edit. So record type access, field access, that is fine. Read and create you have to give. Then only they can create. We are done now. Now, if you try to access this URL, still mine is cookies. Just give me a second. I'm going to close this. Open as a guest window. Okay. So the form is available. Public. You guys can go and fill one record and let's see like whether it's coming or not. Okay. So I will send this URL to everyone and try to click on the link and try to submit one record. Make sure you enter like a different email ID. Don't use your email ID because somebody used already on email ID. You will get an error, but try to use different email ID. Quickly try to submit one. I will also go and submit one. So public flow 1. Public flow 1. Public flow 1 at gmail.com. You guys can do it differently. Okay. So the date of birth, again, you will get an error message. So make sure.
It's not coming, Sampath. And the
Sorry?
form is not. I can't see the form actually. It's not loading.
It's a cookies. I can access it in the guest window.
Okay.
What about others?
I just clicked that link, but it is not working. It's not
Others
showing
are
that
able to open. Manjunath, Supriya. Hello, you guys are there?
Yes, Sampath. Yeah.
The flow is opening for you guys. Yeah, I'm able to finish now. So if I go back to the record, yes, it's got created. Can you try to access guest window?
Yeah, I'll try that one.
Which browser you are using?
Google Chrome.
Yeah, I'm accessing like with a different screen. So
I just clicked that link, but it's not showing that form.
what it's showing? Employee is showing? Tab?
Employee and please complete the following form. That's.
What about others? Supriya there? Oh my goodness. So can you share your screen, please, Anita?
Yeah, yes, sure. Yeah, I need share permission, Sampath.
Okay. Others are able to access it. Manjunath, are you accessing it or no?
Sampath, can you give me the permission?
Yeah, Sampath, I can able to access it. Yeah.
Okay. So mute participant. Thanks, Manjunath. Yeah. I'm trying to give a permission, but just give me a second. Where is it? You don't want to make a host. But allow record, allow put them in the waiting room. Where is that options? ID meeting, make options, screens, meeting info, stop recording, pause recording, ID. Optimize screen. Allow to record, rename, putting in the waiting room. But yeah, I am not able to ask start video. No, make a host, allow record. Still like it's not allowing you to share your screen. So if I go to participant mode, yeah, more themselves, follow participant, rename, lock fee, enable waiting room, lock participant, play sound someone, allow participant unmute themselves, mute the participant, lock. Anyway, so I'm going to give a control. I don't know, like your screen is not coming at the moment, that options.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to give a make a host so that like you can share. Yeah, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
I will now. I'll try to make it 1 second.
Yeah.
I cannot give back now the hosting functionality. Okay. Can you copy this and put it in the guest window?
Yes, window means in Salesforce. Yes,
Without
sir.
yes, just simply copy up to yes, not employee. Just click on the home tab.
Okay. Up to yes.
Click on home tab.
Home.
Yeah, she's saying like some spelling mistake. So just click home tab. No. Hello, click home link.
Yeah. 1 second, Sampath. It's hiding that one. Yeah.
No. Did you click on the link which I sent to you?
Yes, Sampath. The same.
Click on the home tab.
Home tab means this one, right?
The home menu. In that site which I sent to you, there is a home menu.
Yeah. Okay. This one. Yeah.
Yeah. Click on that. Now copy this
Okay.
link. Close this and put it like somewhere. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Enter. Now click on the employee.
Still it is.
It's weird.
I'm
Go
just
to your
trying
guest
incognito.
window. Guest, yeah, incognito.
Yeah, in incognito it's coming.
There is an issue in your browser then. Okay, I saw that. What is that
Okay.
like the second icon? So can you go to the second icon, like in the browser, second icon?
Here there's this one.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, give me the control, please.
Yeah. One second.
Okay, just leave it. What is this?
That is incognito symbol.
I think like I can see that there is an issue in the browser. Can you close the browser, please?
Yeah. This too?
Yeah. And reopen it. You stopped screen sharing, I think.
Oh, sorry.
Close the browser and reopen it.
Yeah, sure. One second, sorry. Yeah.
Share your screen.
Yeah, 1 second. Oh, where is that one? Share the screen, right? I'm not finding. Yes.
Yeah.
It's showing the same something now also.
Wait. What is this? Give me the control again, please.
Yes.
What browser you are using? You are using Mozilla, right?
No.
I told you
Chrome,
like
Chrome.
completely close the browser and open it, but still like you are using it. It's not closed completely. So can you open it again? So now if I go here, can you paste it now, the URL?
Yeah. Yes.
Now click on employee. Still like yeah, I can see like the browser like it's blocking you. So what I will do, clear cookies. Settings. At the moment it's past your login. That is okay. I don't worry about that much. Where is the cookies? But I don't want to restore it. Just I want to clean the browsers. So just give me a second. On the settings. Cookies catch 320 MB. My goodness. So, and close completely. Again, if it's coming your same window, see something issue with your browser.
Okay.
I cleaned it completely, but still like it's opening the same thing. So,
I'll,
okay, can you paste it now?
yeah, Sampath.
Mm-mm. Hmm.
Okay, I'll just check those things. Sampath.
Wait. So what you can do, if I open this, because it's coming like the default, all the settings.
Okay.
So give me a second. So if I more tools, clear browsing data, all the time I'm choosing, okay, all the time, just clean up. I'm going to sign out. Synchronization is
Yes.
fast. So that is okay. Can you sign in, please?
Here, Sampath.
Yeah.
1 second. Can you please stop the recording? Sorry.
No worries then. Then wait. Yeah,
Yeah.
just wait. I will just stop the recording first. It's running, I think. Yeah, I will just